Embark on a captivating video tour featuring 9 luxurious villa living room interiors, each showcasing a mesmerizing view of a private swimming pool. Immerse yourself in a world where opulence and the beauty of nature converge to create a haven of tranquility and sophistication. Blend of lavishness and the great outdoors, these interiors are designed to offer a harmonious sanctuary. Gaze upon floor-to-ceiling windows that frame the private pool, turning it into an enchanting centerpiece that bathes the room in abundant natural light. Likes button and subscribe for more design inspiration and exclusive tours that elevate your understanding of opulent living. The carefully chosen natural color palette perfectly complements the surrounding outdoor beauty. Plush furnishings and premium materials create an atmosphere of comfort and refinement that envelops you in a cocoon of luxury. Crafted from wood, the furniture becomes an embodiment of nature's grace, seamlessly integrating with the serene surroundings. This union between man-made artistry and the organic world is a testament to the design's brilliance.